YouTube, this is Dave with D&E Performance coming to you from the garage. And right there, as you can see, still working on the SN95, trying to get some of the back suspension done. Right now I'm welding up. As you can see, I'm welding up one of the arms, lower control arms. I ended up, instead of buying some, I just went ahead and made some. It was just easier and a little bit more cost efficient for me to do it that way. But just to show you what I got going on here, went ahead and got this guy. This is the passenger side, so getting him welded up. And then just to show you what's there's my old welder. My Pro MIG Lincoln 175. That thing has been through the ringer and back, and it still keeps on ticking. But just to show everybody what's going on, I got most of the fab, at least mostly everything kind of mocked up here. Everything's tacked together, so I'm starting to pull everything. I'm probably going to pull the rear end down today and go ahead and start welding everything up. Got the bars for the fuel cell welded in there, shock mounts, shock bar. So I just got to get this trailing arm off right here so I can weld him up. And I've got all these stuff for, let's see here, got all the stuff for the rear end. The axles came in, the axles and the spool came in, and then of course UPR's front suspension, but I'm not ready for that yet. Here's the fuel cell. We're just using one of these eBay deals. The reason I chose this one is because it's got dash 10 all the way around it, and I'm probably going to be using actually I haven't really decided if I'm going to go dash 10. The fuel pumps that I have two Holley fuel pumps, and I'm not sure, those are dash 8 in and out, both of those pumps, so I'm not sure if I'm just going to go run, you know, dash 10 or what yet. I'm not too, you know, I'm not too sure on that. I guess I'll figure it out when I get to that point. But I'm getting closer to getting the rear end done, so hopefully here in about another week or so I should have all the rear end components pretty much put together. I think it's Wednesday right now, so yeah. There's going to be more of this content, so if you like the content, like and subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the flip. Bye.